If I had to go through this again, there's no doubt that I would hire Travis and Retail Sales Pro as my liquidator. My retail manager of over 20 years decided to move on to another opportunity, and followed by him was my full-time retail clerk that decided also to move on, leaving just my two part-time employees and myself, and we're all in our mid to late 60s to man the store. Well, I'm trying to retire, as they are also, so that led me to decide to liquidate my inventory, just close shop. I did research on the internet, and of all the research I did, it kept pointing back to Travis and Retail Sales Pro. And after listening to several of the other testimonials from customers, I decided to give him a call. After my conversation with Travis and Retail Sales Pro, there was definitely some energy there that I could feel that what was important to me is someone I could work with. I needed to feel comfortable with that person and have a good solid program in place, which Travis laid out for me. So I felt very confident in his ability. Probably the biggest fear or concern I had was being able to liquidate my inventory and reaching enough people. That soon was put to ease upon opening day, when my gosh, I was overwhelmed by the amount of people that were waiting in line, sitting in their lawn chairs at 8:30 in the morning, and our sale didn't start till 10 a.m. There were literally hundreds of people waiting to get into the store. The sales on the first day was incredible. It was probably a month's worth of sales in one day. And then as the sale went on, the days went on and the traffic slowed down, and Travis would advise us, okay, now it's time to move the prices. He would apparently send it out on social media or however he contacted these people. Following day, we'd get a massive amount of people in. So the whole process was very organized, as planned, and to the point where the very last day was incredibly busy too. Each discount sign, which ranged throughout the sale process, they also had like almost, I'd call it directory board, and they had categories of retail prices, what the actual net price would be. It helped the customer kind of get a better idea of what they'd be paying at point of sale. I would recommend Retail Sales Pro because Travis's compassion for what he does and his communicating with not only myself, but my staff, the support he gave throughout the entire process was wonderful. With Travis's background, it took a lot of pressure off of me, because at first I thought, well, maybe I could do this myself. No way. You need someone like Travis with the background that he's got of his over 20 years to put something like this together. And the end result was actually, it exceeded my expectations. Travis helped me retire, bottom line.